Malaustik at malawyay na pita po sa atin nga. Our school is located at Barangay Santa Agustina, Municipality of Buhi, Province of Camarines Sur, Region 5. We have different clubs and organizations of talented students and teachers such as Salter Cohorte, Odios Musicos, Unlimited Productions, Odiva, and more. Our school is very active in participating in different competitions outside the campus for academic, sports, civic, military, arts, cultural, music, dance, and others. Our programs include music and dance performances, visual arts exhibitions, theater productions, cultural festivals, and events. Thank you, and to God be always the highest. Now, our dearest school is one of the awardees of Gawad Dakilang Pilipino for being an outstanding school as culture and arts implementer. The faculty and staff of Santa Agustina National High School are also awardees in different aspects. In fact, one of our teachers, Mr. Francis P. Molina, is one of the national awardees in Gawad Dakilang Pilipino 2023. The principal is also an awardee as one of the best school head during the Buhi Pride. Some of the teachers are also local awardees in different areas of expertise. Our students' artwork is featured in local galleries and exhibitions. Our theater troupe performs at community events and festivals, and we partner with local artists to provide workshops and mentorship opportunities. Basta Austinians, maustik yan! Welcome to Santa Agustina National High School, where creativity meets curiosity. Our school is a vibrant community that fosters academic excellence, artistic expression, and cultural appreciation. At Santa Agustina National High School, we believe that arts and culture are essential to a well-rounded education. These experiences help our students develop their talents, build confidence, and appreciate diverse perspectives. Our faculty and staff are dedicated to providing a supportive environment that encourages students to explore their passions and interests.